ma'am.
recording is
Good
ready.
evening.
Yes. Yes, yes. Good evening, Pooja. Good evening.
How have you been so far, ma'am?
Yes, I was busy and my sister-in-law was here and I went to my village also. So I was busy these days. But yeah, now I'm free.
Okay, so how is your morning going on?
Yeah, day is going very well because I had a session. This is the third one with whom I'm having today. So yeah, I was
Okay,
like
okay,
busy all the day with the sessions only. Yes.
okay,
So
okay.
yeah, give me an introduction. Let me know about you.
Okay, ma'am. So I am delighted to introduce myself front of you. As you already know, my name Pooja Verma. I am from UP. I live in Kanpur, and I have completed my postgraduate in education. And I have two baby. And apart from that, I have YouTube. I have a small YouTube channel where I upload conversation
Okay.
video and short video. And I am learning and growing. That's all about me.
Very nice. A lovely introduction of yours. Okay, so you are from Kanpur. Even I am from Kanpur, but now we are settled in Lucknow. Yeah.
Okay, okay. But my aunt and uncle, they are living Lucknow.
Okay, okay. So you come to Lucknow very often or not?
Last year I went there, ma'am, because the
Okay, okay.
my uncle's son's marriage function, so I went there.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
And you know, in Kanpur, there is Saket Nagar. So close to Saket Nagar is my house. And that is Nirala Nagar, where we stay. It is Nirala Nagar. So we have
because
a empathy.
I am living Kanpur, but I live in Saket Nagar.
Oh, Saket Nagar. Okay. So
Yes,
even my house is also there only. See, this is Saket Nagar. Opposite to that, it is Nirala Nagar. So our house is in Nirala
yes.
Nagar. Yes, yes.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, I would love to know about yourself little bit.
Okay, sir. So as you know, I'm Alka connecting you from Lucknow, the capital of UP. If I talk about my academic background, then I've done masters in English. Yeah, about my hobbies that I love to read and listen to music. Yes, about my family, my children are married and I have two grandchildren. And yes, my husband is retired banker. So that's it. About my hobbies. If I come to my about, I told you or not, I don't remember. So I love reading books. I listen to music. So that's about me. Yes. Okay.
Okay, okay, it's a great,
Yes.
ma'am. No issue. So, as you told earlier, you used to living in Kanpur. So, how
Yes.
long have you lived here?
Oh my God. Many years, 40 years, 35, 40 years, you know. I was living in Kanpur. When I got married, so since then I was in Kanpur with my children.
So,
My children used
this,
to study in Viren Sarup. There is in Kidwai Nagar, na Viren Sarup school.
yes, I know,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, so my children studied there only. I didn't go anywhere. I was settled in there only. My husband was posted to some other state because being a banker, so he got transferred, you know, like after 2 or 3 years. So I lived with my in-laws in Nagar. I didn't go anywhere. Yeah.
Yes, because mostly family didn't allow to go anywhere
No,
without
no, no.
husband, without
My family
family.
allowed me. My family didn't say anything. My mother-in-law told me, if you wish to go, you can go. But I myself decided that I won't go anywhere until and unless my children study from the same school. If I go to some other state, so my children will suffer their studies. So for that reason,
Yes,
they got
ma'am.
admission from the KG class up to 12th. They studied in the same school. When they got their job, then only I shifted from Kanpur. I didn't go anywhere. Just I had I did sacrifice for my children, so I didn't go anywhere.
Yes, ma'am. It's a big, we can say, sacrifice because when we have to take care of children, so we have to stay one place. We can't go here
How?
and there. We can't
Yes,
visit for the long time. But like
yes, yes.
on summer vacation, we can visit somewhere. We can enjoy because on summer vacation, children holidays are going on, so we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
go
yeah. But
somewhere.
but then also I didn't go, because my sister-in-law came with her children. I have two sister-in-laws, so they came with their children. One is in Ahmedabad, the other is in Bhusawal, close to Mumbai. So they visited my house. So it was like we enjoyed a lot. There was a big company with all of them. So I enjoyed with the family rather than going to my husband's place. I didn't go. That's the reason I never. Yeah.
So I have some question, ma'am. I would like to ask you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What changes have you seen? Education before and now.
Okay, about education before and now. See, the education earlier, it was not based on what to say that we had only theoretical knowledge. But nowadays, I think in the school there is a practical knowledge also. Children do so many things to get the lessons done correctly. But in my time, the class teacher would come in the class, give the lessons, and go away. So nothing related to the it was only theoretical, nothing like that. So, but nowadays teachers explain with reasoning and all that. And even if students are so reasoned, they ask each and every question to the teachers, how it is done that, how is that? And the teachers also explain very well, but it was not in my time. Though we didn't understand anything. Suppose the class teacher came to a class and we didn't understand something, and no, there was a fear between the teacher and the student. We would never raise a question to the teacher and how, and we never told her teacher that how it will happen, how will we do this and that. So, but now the teacher explained very well. So only this difference I find in today's education and that education, but I don't have that much of knowledge because I was not a teacher. I didn't go anywhere. So yeah, and my children also
Yes.
studied. It's long back. They are married. They also have children. So it's long time. So
Yes.
I don't have that much of idea.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, but now era has totally changed according
Yeah.
my, because nowadays you can see lots of changes in the new generation children. They are very intelligent, and they
Yes.
are if we teach anything they grasp very easily. But if I talk about
Ah,
earlier children, they had lack of knowledge, lack of confidence, and there was not good school at that time. And
yes.
some parents had at least 3 and 5 baby, but they focus their baby, but they didn't focus for the study,
Yes. Exactly.
right? And that is
Exactly.
a we can say.
Yes.
And because at
And
that time like people had only something, but not too much. And that time there was not too much we can say what is called environment like that, because nowadays
yeah,
everything
yes,
has
yes,
changed. Environment
yes.
also it's
Yeah,
matter a lot.
exactly.
And nowadays like everything is very expensive. And
Yes,
if we send their children in the school, so we have to do so many things. We have to fill too much
yes,
amount of fees. And you have to provide good education, good food, good clothes, everything.
yes.
And apart
And
from that
uh,
we have to teach them you can learn any skills, because if you have degree you can't do. But if we
yes,
have any skill, so you can do something, because nowadays both are important.
yes, yes, of course. Both are important. And one more thing I would mention over here, not in my children time, when I was a child. That time, what kind of education we had? We didn't have that teachers, parent teachers association, that PTA we call it now. So
Yes, right.
parents did not come to know like how my child is doing in the school.
Because
My parents
parents
didn't know.
also they were not educated. Yes, they were not
Yes,
educated.
yes, of
Maybe
course.
I think they had only they passed only sixth standard and eighth standard. It's enough. Maybe because my
Yes,
mama passed eighth standard, so I
yeah,
know. Because
yes,
family
yes,
member like parents didn't allow to their baby go to
yes, yes,
went to school
yes,
and study there.
yeah, yeah. Yes, so there are nowadays
And
like all are aware. Even teachers are aware how the child is doing in the class. And even the parents
yes,
very well know. They go to school for the PTA meetings, so they know very well. Now, how my child is doing in what subject is working on, in what subject he is getting less marks. So, your parents come to know each and everything. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, right, ma'am.
Yeah.
And nowadays just like if children are studying english medium school, apart
Yeah.
from that they have to provide tuition classes also,
Yes, yeah, of course.
right? But earlier days it was not happen like that,
No, no,
because
earlier it was not.
mostly teacher used to study, and you teacher used to teach them, and after that they used to teach. I remember they used to teach only imla and alphabet, and they used to make them like read the book like that, like a
Yes,
simple,
yes,
right,
yes.
like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
But nowadays it has changed a lot.
Of course, of course. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when did
And
you
my next
channel
question,
and yeah, do you have your own channel, Pooja? By which name? I mean to say by which name you have your channel?
my channel name, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, real. My channel name is Real English Talks with Pooja.
Okay, Real English Talks with Pooja. Okay, okay, yes, okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
because recently I have started, ma'am.
Okay, I have noted down over here. Okay. Real English Talks with Pooja, right? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, and my next question is, how does social media affected students' learning habits?
Yeah, learning habits. Okay, I thought in their real life. It is affecting in the but education. You're asking about the learning process. It's a very nice, if it comes to learning, it's a very good application. I mean to say, it's very good. When people, children, actually see in the Corona times, it helps so much to the children. They studied everything sitting at home. There are online classes, so they studied each and every. And now also, see, even for us, we are learning so many things over here only. So for children, it's very good thing to learn from this application. I mean to say, there are so many applications, ChatGPT, AI, like related to this. Each and everything they can learn, find. But in our time, we used to like take a dictionary and find the meaning of certain word. Anything to learn. I mean to say, nowadays people can learn very easily whatever they want. Okay, apart
Yes,
from the
ma'am.
children learning, even the grown-ups can learn each and everything with the help of the media, social media, right?
Yes, because now mostly people prefer online classes if they want to learn something, if they want to prepare any exam like that, so they don't
Yeah.
prefer coaching. They always prefer join any anything from the social media. They
Yes,
learn so many things from the social media. They take
yeah,
class, they attend any meeting from the laptop and computer. So if
yeah,
we have courage, if we have any accuracy to do something new, so you can learn so many things from the social media, and there are
yes,
so many
yes,
benefit because we are
yes.
connecting to each other because of social media.
Of
And
course, of course.
some people think I don't have environment, how can I learn this language? So according my, they are making mistake. They can
Yes,
learn very easily, they can learn very easily from the
yes,
social media. You
of
can
course.
found so many grammar structure, you can found so many a platform in the
Exactly,
social
exactly.
media.
Yeah,
But sometimes people, we can say people kill their time in the social media. They scroll the they scroll useless thing, useless reels.
yes,
They,
yes,
yes, and they waste their time and they keep scrolling phone 1 hour, 2 hours continuously, but they are not using their time. They are killing her time. So it is
yes,
not helpful for the study. And we can say sometime social media reduce students studies also, if they not focus too much in the study, if they focus only
yes,
social media, like only scrolling the Instagram reel, they are
yes.
killing their time.
I see children now, they don't need to go for the tuition classes. They can join over here only on this social media. They're sitting at home and
Yes, ma'am.
they're taking tuitions, right? So it's
Yes,
very
because nowadays
beneficial.
there are so many
Yeah,
online,
online
so
classes.
many
Yes,
people teach, or yes, teach
yes,
through the online classes.
yes, yes. So it's
So I
beneficial.
think
I
social
can say.
media is very helpful for everyone.
Yes, for
But if
adults
we
also, for
use
children
you
also. Yes.
wisely, if we use social
Ah,
media with wisely, so we can achieve something new. Otherwise,
yes,
we will killing our time, and we will
yes.
killing our life also. If we use
Yesterday, yeah. So this is, I want to narrate what happened yesterday. It's happened with us also. We are so much, distracted towards this media and watching reels one by one. It happened yesterday only. I was sitting in the front of the kitchen. There's a, dining table in the front of the kitchen. So I was sitting on my dining and watching some reels. And on the gas burner, there was milk, 2 liter milk on one pot. So I was just watching reels one by one, one by one. And on that, in the kitchen, boy, the milk was overflowing. It was spilling, on the all the kitchen, that my gas burner, everything turned white. Even floor, like the milk, spilled and spilled, it came on the floor also. Oh my God, when I saw that after half an hour, so what happened, 2 liters milk changed into half liter. It spilled very badly, so I had to clean it, very. Oh my God, yesterday I thought I will never watch in this way. These reels, if we watch the reels, one by one, it takes a lot of time. And it's a wastage. And today, yesterday, what I remember is that really how much I had to do physically to clean the kitchen because there was no worker that time. My maid has already left. So I had to clean the kitchen. It was very difficult for me. So watching reels is very, sometimes it's very harmful to, do this.
Yes,
Yeah.
time. They use
Yeah.
mobile
Yes.
intensively all the
Yes.
time.
Yes. Yeah, so we are there to tell our children not to do this and that. And how about the adults? Who's going to tell us? No, nobody. It happened with me only yesterday. So I thought now I won't do this. If something is there in my kitchen, first let it that finish. Then only I pick the mobile. So it happens. Yeah. So when
Yes,
did you
ma'am.
start your channel? Tell me this, Pooja.
Maybe I think last month I started my
I
channel.
think recently started. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yes, as I told
Okay.
you, maybe I think 30 video I have uploaded in my channel. 30
Okay,
and
okay, 30
35
video.
video like that. Recently I have uploaded. Last week I
So
have, not last month I started my
last
channel.
month, okay. So how you was motivated? Someone else told you or you yourself thought that I'll create my channel. So what made you like create your channel? How you were motivated?
Actually, nobody suggested me. Nobody
Oh,
said to me because earlier I used to practice only through the audio call, but it was
oh,
not help me a lot. But at that time because my house was being painted and
okay.
everything topsy turvy at my home. So two
Mm-hmm.
month I didn't practice. I didn't do
Okay.
anything because
Uh-huh.
when house is being painted and so at
Yeah.
that time everything is topsy turvy, we can't do anything.
Yes,
So I
yes.
thought I should do something new. Then I created
Mm.
my channel and I started connecting to through the YouTuber, because
Acha.
when we connect with people through the video call we can see face expression, eyes
Yes, yes,
contact,
right, right.
and after making video we can rectify our mistake also. We can see so many things.
Yes, right, right. Of
So
course, of course.
so
Yes.
that's the that's the main reason behind it. So that is the
Yeah.
reason I started, but now I'm comfortable and I don't feel any hesitation.
Yes.
I speak with confidently. I know I make so many mistakes while conversation, but first of all I want
Everybody
to
does it.
get rid of
Yeah.
my hesitation.
Yes, it's not only your puja, everybody does. Even a good speaker sometimes make mistakes. It happens with everyone. Yeah.
Yes.
And you told me for the session right now. Like I was reading one magazine and I just got up, I closed the door and came here. I didn't even change my clothes. I don't know how my hair and all that. I didn't notice and it just came here. Earlier when I had a session, I was wearing something else. And this is my like very normal time kind of a clothes. So no. I thought it's okay, let me have a
But
session.
no worry, ma'am. You are looking stunning. Don't
No,
worry.
it's
You are
not that.
looking
I didn't
stunning.
even comb my hair. Oh my god, so it's okay. I never mind this. I never, like put makeup and all that. How it is, I just come in the front of the camera. But one thing I want to say is that it happened with me also. Like when I faced the camera for the first time, first I decided to talk only on the audio calls initially. It's been 1.5 years when I opened my channel. So that time, lot of a courage. I had to muster up a courage to make my own, this video. And initially, I was not talking to anyone on the video call because I thought, my God, people will see me. I have to make the video. Will I be able to do or not? Because it takes a lot of time doing editing, putting thumbnails and all that. So it takes totally one
Yes,
hour to
ma'am.
do this. But still, I tried. And when I tried, after this video calls, what I found is that apart from doing audio calls, this is the best thing to practice. When you are facing someone, you have a lot of confidence when we face somebody on the
Yes,
camera, right?
ma'am.
Yeah, really,
Yes,
it happens.
we have courage to talk to each other,
Yes, yes,
and we
yes,
have confident talk to each other because audio call we feel comfortable, we don't feel hesitation, we don't feel any
yes,
kind of problem. But it's
yes,
come to video call, at that time we think how can I speak? But
yeah,
when we have to do
yes,
every day,
yes,
so
yeah.
definitely we are habitual
Yes.
to do
Actually,
something new.
when we do something daily, we practice something daily, so we become accustomed to that, that practice. And we
Yes,
can't,
ma'am.
like, it's not any difficult. That time we feel, okay, it's not any difficulty. And now it's a normal thing. Like we eat, food and lunch and dinner. So it's like a kind of a normal thing. We are facing the camera and talking to the person and making our own video. So now it has become a very common thing. But initially, it was a very challenging for me to do this, to do all this. Yeah.
Yeah, same, ma'am, same. Because
Yes.
as a homemaker, as a mother, we don't have courage
Yes,
to
of
face
course.
like a
Yeah.
camera. We
Yes.
face to people. How to
Yes.
face to people? How can I articulate my thought front of people? I don't have.
Yes.
I didn't have like that courage, but now I
Uh-huh.
have because I have been doing same work every day.
Yes.
I
So
have
that, yeah.
been doing the same
Yes.
work because
So,
when I had a first conversation, I was not
yeah.
articulate my thought, I was not able to speak, I was fumbling a lot and I felt butterflies in my stomach, but I thought
Yes.
what should I speak, but
Yeah, it happened.
now
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think I am
Initially.
comfortable.
Yes. And you are comfortable.
Because
Like,
now I
it
am.
is. Yeah, it is reflected on your face too that you are very confident to speak. So when we do anything practice, when we practice something, we become accustomed to that, and at that time we don't find any nervousness or anything. Because we are habitually doing the same thing every day. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, because
Okay.
I also I prefer to people because if you do audio call if you practice through the audio call, so you should start through the video call because video call
Oh,
will help you a lot if
yes,
you
of
follow
course.
like that.
Yes, yes, of course. It gives you a lot
Because
of
if
confidence. Yeah.
some people say I don't have courage, how can I speak with people, and
Yeah.
they are afraid of making mistake, they are afraid of facing other people.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, but
if they practice through the video call, so definitely they will get rid of her fear and
yes.
hesitation also
Of
if they
course,
do like that.
it's a very nice practice, to do if we are doing conversation every day. Initially, my first conversation was with Mansi Prajapati. She's a trainer and she lives in Delhi. So the first conversation was with her only, my first one. It was really very bad, very bad. I was not able to speak. I used many pauses and fillers, that time. Again, one sentence, then again I stopped. Then I told her and requested her not to upload my video on her channel because what people will think. Then she didn't upload it. I requested her, she didn't upload. So, but it happens when we are practicing anything for the first time. We feel hesitant, we feel nervous. But with the practice, everything falls in the right place. Everything happens well. Right.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So it was nice conversation with you, and thank you so much for your precious time.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much also for joining me. Yes. I was waiting for you because yesterday also, in a couple of days, you were asking me to have session. But again, my
Yes,
nephew
ma'am.
was there. Yeah, my nephew, he had come from Allahabad. So I was not getting time. But today only it happened that I'm free. Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Yes.
no issue, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
bye bye.